Hey, Side Hustle family. Today, we'll be breaking down a six-figure side hustle. We will talk about what it is, how you can get started, and how much money you can potentially make from it. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. Here we talk about side hustles, making money, personal finance, and Instagram growth strategies. The goal of this channel is that every time you watch one of our videos, you walk away with more knowledge than you started with. Now let's get straight into it. You've probably heard the term drop shipping, but have you ever heard the term drop servicing? Drop servicing is a great side hustle that can allow you to scale your revenue while working less. But what exactly is drop servicing? Drop servicing is like drop shipping, but instead of physical products, you're selling services. Take Kevin, for example. He runs a social media management business and has a total of 10 clients. Each of his clients pay Kevin $1,000 a month for him to manage their social media pages. Being the smart guy Kevin is, he then takes $3,000 from that $10,000 and uses it to hire a couple experienced and well-qualified freelancers on Fiverr that will manage the 10 social media pages for him. In short, that's how drop servicing works. You can decrease how many hours you work by hiring someone else to do the work for you, all while creating the opportunity to increase your scalability because you're now able to take on more clients, which can generate you more income. However, if we go back to the Kevin example, that $7,000 that's left over isn't all profit, because Kevin may have spent money to promote his service to gain those clients. Now, when it comes to promoting your service to gain clients, there are two very simple ways that have worked best for me that both involve social media. The first method would be reaching out to the niche-based Instagram pages and asking them to promote your service with a story post that includes your service link and a feed post with your link in their bio. The second method would be directly messaging your ideal client. Say that your service is creating YouTube thumbnails. You could go on YouTube and find channels that have lower than 100K subscribers and email them with your YouTube thumbnail offer. You can find most YouTube channels' emails on the channel's About section. The reason why I said lower than 100K subscribers, because people who have more than 100K subscribers more than likely already have someone who's creating their thumbnails for them. Now, anyone interested in starting a drop servicing business will find it fairly straightforward. Setting up a website to showcase the services you sell and hiring someone to actually provide these services are the two most important tasks. The ideal sequence of steps is as follows. You first want to find a service that is on Fiverr and a freelancer who has a strong number of positive reviews. I would aim for 100 plus 5-star reviews. Second, create a website to attract your initial clients. For this, you can use platforms like ClickFunnels to build a sale funnel or a website like Shopify. When you're setting up your website, I always go with at least tripling the price for my service price. Meaning, if the freelancer on Fiverr I plan on hiring is charging $500, I will be at least charging $1,500 on my website. This way, I can spend $250 on marketing, send $500 to the freelancer on Fiverr, and profit the last $750. Next, you will need to decide which marketing route you want to take. As in, will you be promoting your services with Facebook ads, Google ads, or running ads on social media theme pages, or emailing potential clients? What products can you drop service? Nearly any service can be drop serviced, and the services don't just have to be digital services. I've literally seen people use this method with lawn care, but when it comes to finding the right service, simply consider what you would like to acquire as a service for yourself or your business. Then put yourself in your client's place and figure out what they require the most. A simple trends analysis is a great method to see what's currently trending. You can look up what services are currently being searched for on Google Trends. The best option is anything that is in high demand with a low to medium level of competition. Overall, everything can be drop serviced as long as two conditions are met. There is someone who is willing to provide the service for a set fee. There's a client who is willing to pay a higher fee. Some of the cool drop servicing ideas that might inspire you to start are as follows. Social media management. The truth is that few people understand how to manage their own social media accounts effectively and regularly. These days, freelance social media managers are quite experienced, and they will be pleased to help your client boost their social media presence. Website development. Websites that are speedy, efficient, and well-coded have been in high demand over the past decade. Businesses are always looking for someone to design and optimize their websites, and you could be the person to provide this service to them. Graphic design. This is a pretty broad niche with a variety of drop servicing options. Options such as logo design, advertisement design, customized graphics, visual brand identities, and more might all be dropped. Video creation. It's a niche full of cool options for drop servicing, similar to graphic design. You can focus on short videos, video commercials, animation, and other types of media. Content writing. Writing can be likened to a gold mine that needs to be serviced. Content of all kinds and in all languages is always in demand. Examples would be writing blog pieces, social media posts, press releases, ads, ebooks, and novels. Search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is an important component of expanding a business, and all types of SEO are in high demand. You could do on-page and off-page SEO, link building, creating SEO-optimized articles, and more by hiring experienced freelancers. Some extra tips to help you make more money is to add upsells on your websites and funnel. For those who don't know what an upsell is, simply think of them as add-ons. Say you're offering video creation. You could also offer thumbnail creation or faster deliveries. When you're looking at freelance gigs on Fiverr, you will see upsells and add-ons to help you get a better idea of what extra services you can offer to increase your profit margins. Also, keep in mind that you're not limited to just one freelancer. With this side hustle, you can hire multiple freelancers. That way you can take on even more clients and deliver faster. Now, when it comes to earning with this side hustle, it's not far-fetched to say that you can be bringing in a couple extra $1,000s a month. How much you make from this side hustle will strictly depend on how many clients you bring in and how much you're charging. I would always go with a service that creates a recurring partnership, something like social media management. That way, month after month, I know that the client will be returning for the service, where a service like resume writing might not see that same recurring client. So, now as you have learned how simple and profitable drop servicing is, let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are. With that said, stay tuned for the next video as we keep breaking down more side hustles and Instagram growth strategies. Also, watch some of the previous videos as well, where we share so much free game and information. Do me a favor and smash that like button before you go. I'll see you in the next video.